Hello class, this is fire protection trainer. So I wanted you guys to see what we have here. So here we have the main power supply. Your handle that is in the cockpit is an old plane, like I normally say. Everything on the Airbus is a push button. So this one has handle. For Airbus you have a squid that you push in and you activate the fire system. So here, let me put on the main power here. Okay. Oh, that's off. This is on there. So I have this. This is my handle here. I'll put it on. Then I'll push my button for the to activate fire bottle discharge, and we stimulate this to be like your fire that will be quenched. So when I pull the arm the system, then now I'm quenching my fire. This is stimulating my fire. Then when you go down here, you see the fire bottle we have here. We see a fire bottle over here with the data plates and all that stuff. So fire bottle is here. So to arm it, I arm it. That means if you look at my generator there, it's armed. Then now I activate my fire bottle. Just that. And if you look at this, we have the continuous loop. Over here, continuous loop. And for the continuous loop, we can have Fenwell or we can have the Kidd one. The Kidd one has okay, continuous loop. You have the Fenwell and the Kidd. The Fenwell has one rod inside, while the Kidd, or Kidd, some people call it Kidd, Kindle, that one has two loop inside. You know, when you look at it like this, two loop of your Inconel or Chromium as the one that senses for your fire detection. It senses your fire and give information to your cockpit. Then you can activate it. And you also have your thermal switch over here. This is your thermal switch. I don't know if you can see it very well. Let me go to the back and show you the thermal switch. This is your thermal switch over here. You see that this thermal switch is in parallel. It's in parallel, and then this other one, the continuous loop, is in series. Continuous loop, here we have some leak. Even when I'm not using the fire bottle, it's supposed to be deactivated because of, you see some of the foams jumping up because of leak. So if you guys were here, you'll be able to troubleshoot and make sure that you're not discharging fire bottle when you're not supposed to discharge it. And to simulate that, we use air. We have the hose here, pneumatic system here, just to simulate the fire extinguisher. And you have your bottles here, your small bottles here, but the ones in the Airbus are much bigger than this, you know. Yeah. Okay, I just wanted to show you what we have here: the thermal switch, the continuous loop for detection, and the extinguisher for extinguishing. And you guys know from your block 1, block 2, I think, block 2, the different fire extinguishers we have in aviation: halon, carbon dioxide. That's what normally use your powder, dry powder, and chemical. Have a good day. Bye.